5 seconds to go. Start. On completion of investigation, he had submitted the charge sheet on 13th October 1992. In his cross-examination, he had stated that he did not record the statement of any of the witnesses. On the basis of the statements recorded by his predecessor Shri Devi Dayal Prajapati and after perusal of other documents, the charge sheet was submitted against the accused persons. Shri Devi Dayal Prajapati deposed as PW5. He had stated that on the date of receipt of the first information, he had recorded the statements of Lakshmi Narayan, Bhola Shankar, Kuldeep Kumar, and the witnesses of the Panchnama. Despite search, the accused persons were not found and therefore they could not be arrested. Thereafter, investigation was taken over by PW4. In his cross-examination, he admitted that though he had taken blood sample from the stairs where the dead body of Satyanarayan was found, he did not send the sampled blood for chemical examination. Though he had recorded the statement of the informant, the latter did not mention in his statement that his uncle Shri Dev had exhorted the other accused persons to kill his father and that he should not be spared as he had grabbed the property of his younger brother. Again, he did not mention in the case diary that Bhola Shankar was present on the spot. That apart, Bhola Shankar did not mention the names of any assailant. From the evidence tendered on behalf of the prosecution, it is clear that PW1 and PW2 are the eyewitnesses. When PW1 Satyanarayan and Lakshmi Narayan had reached Har Ki Podi at Ambagad Akhada, they were joined by Kuldeep and Bhola Shankar PW2. PW1 and Lakshmi Narayan went ahead talking with Kuldeep and PW2. Satyanarayan was walking down the steps for a dip in the river. At that time, the accused persons arrived at the scene from the southern side of Tulsi Park. Both PW1 and PW1 were categorical in their evidence that Shri Dev was armed with a danda, Munna Lal was armed with kanta, and Raju and Uchchav were armed with knives. Appellant Nitya Nand was carrying a country-made pistol in his hand. Though the appellant did not assault Satyanarayan, the other accused persons actively participated in the assault. Hearing the cries of Satyanarayan, PW1, PW2, Kuldeep and Lakshmi Narayan rushed back. When they had reached near the crime scene, appellant Nityanand fired a shot in the air from his country-made pistol to frighten PW1 and the others. As the appellant fired in the air, all the accused persons escaped from the crime scene. At this stage, we may mention that PW2 was categorical in his cross-examination that he had seen the incident with his own eyes and that PW1 was also with him then. Neither PW1 nor PW2 had stated that appellant had fired at them, nor he had fired at the deceased. The role attributed to the appellant was helping the other accused persons and himself flee from the scene of crime by frightening the people, including PW1 and PW2, when they were about to reach the crime scene by firing from his country-made pistol into the air. The fact that the death of Satyanarayan was homicidal has been fully established by the post-mortem report as well as by the evidence of PW3, that is the doctor. The ocular evidence supported by the medical evidence clearly established that it was a case of murder of the deceased by the other accused persons under section 302 IPC. Stop.